Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn your screen sideways on Roblox. So first of all, open the Roblox application, and once you open the Roblox application, so you will see all the recommended games. As you can see, like you can see all the lists that are available. So you can just open or select any of the game that you want to play. Let's say I want to play this one, the first game. Just click on play button and it will load. So it might be in vertical, but for me, as you can see, like it is in horizontal, or you can say at full screen mode. So if you want to like turn your screen sideways, what you can do is just from the right side drag it, and once you see this interface, make sure to turn this locked orientation off. Once it is off, after that go back inside the game, and once you do that, you can just easily switch the screen sides. As you can see, for me it is easier, and I am able to switch the screens as well. If it is vertical, I would have easily switched it to the horizontal. So once you do that, you can also check the settings. You can just click on settings and make sure to go and choose the settings for the camera mode and for scroll down, and the output device as well. The full screen mode, for me it is turned off, so make sure to turn it off. The graphic mode, everything it is set same as me. Once you do these same settings, hopefully your issue will be solved and you will be able to enjoy the Roblox in horizontal or on full screen. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do that.